The count function in Excel simplifies the task of verifying numeric entries within a list, such as an inventory. Manually inspecting each cell can be hard to handle and prone to errors. Here's an efficient way to use the count formula. Let's initiate this formula with an equal sign to kick off the formula. Type COUNT and press the Tab button to autocomplete. Select the range of cells you want to assess. The flexibility to choose the direction, whether downward or upward, ensures a hassle-free process. Conclude the formula by closing the bracket. Press Enter to execute the formula. The displayed result signifies the number of cells containing numeric entries. In this example, where the inventory demands numeric input cells, the count function effortlessly confirms that all cells are filled appropriately. By employing this approach, you enhance the accuracy of your work, providing a reliable check on the completeness of numeric entries in your inventory. COUNTA calculates the count of non-empty cells in a given range. Syntax structure is the same as the count function. Initiate the formula with an equal sign. Type COUNTA, followed by pressing the Tab key. Select the target range. Conclude the formula with a closing bracket and press Enter. Applying COUNTA to an inventory list of 11 cells provides a result of 9 non-empty cells. This result indicates that 2 cells remain unfilled. By incorporating COUNTA, users efficiently ascertain the completeness of data in a range, offering clarity in data analysis. The COUNTBLANK function in Excel helps to find the number of empty cells in a given range of cells. It is pretty normal that you might miss out on inserting values in specific cells in the spreadsheet. In such cases, COUNTBLANK works as a scan that lets you know if there are still any blank cells that require the input of values. Let's begin the formula with an equal sign. Type COUNTBLANK and press the Tab button. Select the range and close the bracket to conclude it properly. Press Enter and get the result. We have an answer which is 3. It means that 3 cells are empty. No data is inserted in them. The powerful count. If function in Excel counts cells based on one criteria. Use the count if function in Excel to count cells that are equal to, greater than, or less than a value, etc. In this example, we use the count if function to count the number of cells which is equal to 20. So let's begin the formula. Always start the formula in Excel with an equal sign. According to it, we type the equal sign, then type COUNTIF and press the Tab button. Select the range. Then put a comma after it, write the criteria, or select the cell in which you have criteria. We have criteria in cell J10. Close the bracket and press Enter. We have the result. You can use this formula in any data set. It does not matter if the criteria are numeric or text. Use this trick to count cells that contain specific text. Always enclose text in double quotation marks and an asterisk. This trick helps you to count the number of cells that contain the text in any way, whether it is singular, plural, or with any number or condition.